So hello my creative friends, it's Olga Sarikina here and welcome to your last day of this 7-day chair challenge. For this lesson I've prepared something special because it's gonna be a master's chair by Philippe Starck. So let's get started. You will need a liner or white black ink gel pen. You'll need black marker, dark gray marker and light gray marker. So let's begin as always by outlining. Uh, as you noticed, maybe we start each and every lesson with this. First step in sketching is basic outlining. We want to position our drawing on a piece of paper in the correct way. We want to catch all the proportions. And what's really interesting about this chair is that it's kind of a summary of three iconic chairs. So first I want to draw these iconic chairs here. First one is by Arne Jacobsen, Danish architect and designer. As you can remember, we've already done one of his chairs, which was an egg chair. This is another chair designed by him. So this is Arne Jacobsen. Another one is Charles Eames chair, which we did in this chair challenge, as you can remember, this Eames chair. So I show their upper parts because very quickly you will see what I mean. And the final chair is Eera Saarinen chair. We haven't drew it yet. We haven't drawn it yet, but maybe you will recognize its design. So these are outlines of three iconic chairs. And Philippe Starck, this famous French designer, he did something spectacular in my opinion because he combined all three chairs in one. So let's see how it looks. First, let's take this Arne Jacobsen's chair and put it in our drawing. So first, let's outline the shape. Here is then we will take this Eames chair, and it's always more easy to work with a central line. So here is our Eames chair, and final outline is for this Eera Saarinen chair. So we have it as well. And now we want to show quickly the seat of this chair. So let's assume that it should be placed somewhere like here. And actually I want to make its legs a little bit longer, maybe at this level. This level, let it be for the back legs. So this is our point of convergence, or vanishing point, and we can see where our back legs will be placed. So we quickly outline it, and now I want to take my dark gray marker because it will instantly give me this thickness necessary for this chair. We draw it like that. So this chair, it's positioned in frontal perspective. Sometimes we call it one-point perspective. If you are not familiar with perspective basics, I want to welcome you to my not chair challenge, but perspective challenge. It's a free video course. You can register for it on my website, olgaart888.com. So it's a self-paced video course, and there are more than 7,000 people at the moment going through this challenge. So here is the outline of the chair. It's really very famous now. You can see it in all different interior salons. Right now I live in Auckland, New Zealand, and I can see it that it's really very popular among people. Also, when I lived in Copenhagen, Denmark, I've seen it in the best houses as well. First, as far as I know, this chair was presented on Isaloni, I believe. It was a famous exhibition in Italy. Yes, it was 2009 Salone del Mobile Image Design Room. It was presented Salone del Mobile Image, not Isaloni, in Milan. So this chair, maybe let's do this part of it a little bit darker in order to give some volume to it. Yes, I want it to look more like silhouette, but a little bit of volume will be nice. So here we can see that light is coming from the left, and I want to darken this one. I want to darken the legs, especially the legs which are at the back. Let's darken here. And finally, I will put some white pastel pencil, but let this layers get dry a little bit. So while it's drying, I will put some black marker to the foreground. So I think this chair is the perfect chair to finish our chair challenge, the 7-day chair challenge. Let me know in the comments below. Did you like it? Do you want this challenge to be continued? Do you want new lessons, new tutorials, new chairs? Because if I'll get enough comments, and if I'll see that this is what you want, I will make some extra tutorials. And final phase is adding white pastel pencil. You can see that it really enlivens the drawing. It makes it look even more finished. Here, there. And wonderful, right? How quickly we can get this feeling of detailing. So with white materials we can polish our sketches. So finally I will put my signature here, and I hope very much you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts about this challenge. Did you like it or not? And if you liked it, please share this video with your friends, and of course subscribe to my channel, because I put here new video every week. Also, I have a separate YouTube in English only. The name is olgaart888, so subscribe to my other channel as well. And good luck, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.